Hi, welcome to my channel, Create with Steve I. Today we are going to be in my social media planner. So in this video we are going to be in my social media planner, planning for the week of May. Can you believe I'm saying May? But it is going to be May 4th through the 10th. So I am going to take these out. I usually take this out, but I think I usually cover it. But you know what? Just in case I don't something doesn't end up covering it, I might as well just do that. And since I am redating this planner, let's just take out all the numbers. Hope you're doing well. I hurt my back this week, and so I've been laid up for a couple days. I'm doing better, but it's still not perfect. But I have to be doing some things tomorrow because we have a camp coming and I'm in charge of it. So there's things that I have to be doing this week or weekend and stuff like that. So I have to, ready or not, do it, which will be okay. It will be okay. I'm just using, I do have a washi cutter, but this old debit card works just as good. And this is a music, it says like Music Capital and different things like that. It's saying Dublin, stuff like that. I'm not exactly sure. Rock, it looks like it's a music based thing. Is Dublin the music capital of Ireland? Is that what this is for? I'm not exactly positive. I don't really care much for this washi tape, but I have it, so I might as well use it, right? And I don't use it very often, but I decided that for this week, oh, I'll just cut that. There's such a small little space there. It would be silly to try to rip it when I can just turn it around and cut it. Okay. So for this one, I am going to be using Blissful Jade Designs This is a coffee. This is the Coffee and Planners kit. I've used part of it before, as you can see, but I'm going to use it again in this one. This is not the week that I was thinking it was. So I placed an order with Blissful Jade Designs and told her which kit I would like for my PR package for May. So hopefully by next week, or hopefully by next weekend, I will have that because I want to use it for the first Monday in each month is the Blissful Jade Designs shop. It's the shop's loop group, and so I want to make. I hope I have that available, or I hope I have it by then because I want to use the new kit that I got for that one. So I really hope that that comes in time for that. Okay, as usual, you know, in all these sticker books that I have, I should check and see if I have like scripts that are to do priority, you know, those kinds of things, because I do to-dos here and I could always use that script here. I generally don't use a lot of those scripts, which is why I don't even know if I have them, because I generally don't use them, so I don't think about them. And I think I left my, yeah, there's my pen. So this is for collabs, and collabs coming up. I know I've got Brandy Janae. I think it's E-I, but I hope I don't misspell that. I know I've got Trish and Karen and Susan coming up. I know I have Karen and Cindy coming up. I know I have one with Sin from Sinfully Planned. This is to do. This is my backlog, video backlog. I don't even know why I have a to-do list here because I know exactly what I have to do. It doesn't really change ever. I might change this up and start writing video ideas here or something like that. I don't know. Collab ideas. People I have to ask or something like that. Maybe something like that. I might do something like that. I'm gonna put, Blissful Jade Designs always puts these hearts in her kits, so I'm gonna use those up here at the top. All right, and I think I'm gonna use this lady who's planning with her coffee right here. I'm gonna do this sticker. Oops, I don't know if that's just not, if that just didn't get cut properly. Sometimes that happens. There we go. I don't want to rip anything. Okay. I'll put these flowers in the background. I will link Blissful Jade Designs, this kit, in my description if you're interested in picking up a copy for yourself. I believe she said it was one of the popular ones. Go show her some love. She just released 2 new sticker kits that I'm excited about. I got one of them as my PR kit. And I ordered, she has some guys finally. I'm really excited. Well, not finally. She has a couple kits out there that do have a guy or 2 in them. But she released some like sheets of doll stickers, and some of them are guys, so I ordered a couple sheets of guys, and I'm really excited about that and about getting it. Okay. Let me see what else I want to throw in here. I'm going to put this girl. Man, that was hard to get up. Okay. Yep. There we go. I am a rep for Blissful Jade Designs, so if you want to use Steve 15 when purchasing from her, you'll get 15% off and this freebie. If she has a sale going on that's better than 15%, just put Steve in the comments and you'll get this freebie. It is my personal freebie for the shop. I'm gonna put some fun little stickers inside the boxes. A way to use up some of the stuff, and it is nice. I'm having a really hard time getting this off for some reason. I've never had this problem with her stickers before. For some reason, it must just not have, when it cut, it looks like it just cut too deep. Cricut or whatever it is that she uses, whatever machine she uses, looks like it just cut a little too deep. So I'm just gonna use a little glue on the back of that and glue it down, and it'll be just like it was a sticker. I mean, it is, but just like the sticker was actually working is what I'm trying to say. Oops, sorry. Let me move this down so you can see it. I hate it when I'm watching on the replay as I'm, what am I trying to say? As I am trying to edit and seeing how often it sometimes goes up into areas that you guys can't see. I'm like, dang it, I hate when I do that. And I'll put all these little sparklies around. Okay. I think that's it. There's nothing else. Just the other stuff that's on here is stuff I actually want to use in a different spread. I want to do a different spread with it, because you can get several spreads out of these. So I want to save the rest of that for another time. So let me grab boxes and we will be done. Don't forget that for my, or in May, starting May 1st, because this is going to be the last video under Create with Steve. Starting May 1st, it's going to be Sticking with Steve, so keep that in mind if you don't see me right away. or if you don't recognize it right away, or you don't see Create with Steve I anymore, it's gonna go away. It's gonna be sticking with Steve. I have a couple circles, so I think I'm gonna use them. Do one there. And one here. I'm gonna do sticker surgery. And use this box. And this box. Okay, so this is the Blissful Jade Designs loop group video. It's in my social media planner. This is my... Is this the first week? Yeah, so this is going to be a miscellaneous video. I'm not sure what that is yet. And then this will be my catch-all planner. This is going to be my Instagram. Social media planner from the previous week. And on Instagram, I'm posting my catch-all planner from the previous week. I'm not sure if I have any backlog videos anymore to put here. I do need to grab the pens and color in these boxes, but since I forgot to do that yet again, I'm gonna wait until this is done. I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm not gonna make you guys wait and look at that. But this, I think, is it. I don't think there's anything else to do. I will be doing filming somewhere in this vicinity for the planning. So I think this is it. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget that Blissful Jade Designs, you can get 15% off using Steve15 and request my freebie in the notes section so that you get it. And I will see you next time. Bye.